In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on this Ford F-150. Let's get started. Lift up your wiper arm all the way up, and you'll notice that on these particular wipers there's a cover. Yours might not have it, but squeeze this cover and flip it up. This will allow you to be able to pull the wiper down off of the wiper arm. But to do that, you have to find the clip that's on the backside here, push it down, and as you push that down, it should unlock the wiper off of the arm. Hold the wiper arm the whole time. You don't want it to come smashing down on the windshield because it can break it. Remove the old wiper. Take your new wiper blade and hook it right over the arm. Push it until it clicks, and it should lock in. This wiper blade has two little protective pieces on the ends. Some of them might have a whole sleeve that goes across. Regardless, you want to remove this. You want to do this on both ends. If you leave these on, not only will it potentially scratch the windshield, but it also isn't going to wipe very well. So now you want to lay this down carefully. Don't let it slam the windshield. It could damage the wiper blade, and you would do the same thing to the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.